Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with EPICURE, Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So you might be wondering, why am I showing you the Norwick's website? Well, apparently I had just heard about this a couple days ago. They are offering everybody, if you want to sign up with Norwick's, you don't have to pay anything. You only have to pay the shipping and the handling, which for me, I'm in Canada, so with tax, it came to about $11. So I've actually been using Norwex for years now, I think maybe even 4 years, mainly because we used to have a cleaner come to our house once a month. And, afterwards, just everything looked so nice. Even when I tried to clean my house, I just kind of felt like nothing looked that clean. Nothing looked as shiny as she was able to make everything. And I just kind of asked her the one day, I kind of said to her, like, how can I upkeep this at home, because you don't need to come as often, like it would be nice if I could upkeep things too, but it just always looks so nice after you do it. And she had said that she uses all Norwex products. And she mentioned this too, because when I was looking for a cleaner at the time, I wanted somebody to use things that were more on the natural side of things, not just because of wanting to be a little bit healthier, overall, but because I don't like the scent of anything artificial. Like, I don't like those Lysol wipes, because I can't stand how after you use them, they just have this overwhelming chemical scent to them. So I didn't want that after somebody cleaned my house. But anyway, so she was using this company. So I actually purchased a couple things years ago, and Norwex lasts forever. So it's not something that you have to keep purchasing. And I'm just going to kind of show you guys what I like. And now that I've been selling EPICURE for also actually about 3 years, EPICURE and kitchen cleaning supplies kind of go hand in hand, because even if you're cooking with EPICURE, yes, things are a lot less messy, but you still have to clean your counters, you have to clean the kitchen, you have to clean the oven, all of that afterwards. And Norwex just makes things so much easier. So it was a good fit for me to be a part of both companies, because cooking and cleaning kind of go hand in hand. EPICURE is nice that way, where, we make everything easier. It takes less time. You don't make as much of a mess, but there will still be a mess afterwards. And if you've never heard of Norwex before, what it basically is all of these cleaning products are no chemicals. You use water with their most popular cloth, which I wanted to show you first, is the Enviro cloth. So you would use water, that's it. You do not have to use soap, chemicals, anything. So you're actually saving money by not having to buy those chemical sprays all the time. Plus, those chemicals, sprays also come in a container, right, that you have to toss out eventually. And less waste is a good thing. So if you haven't heard of Norwex before, it's basically this antibacterial cloth where you use a little bit of water and it does all of the magic for you. So water, that's all you need. And if you're thinking, oh, well, I kind of need more than just water because my kitchen is disgusting, or my bathroom, living room, laundry room is disgusting, trust me, water is all you need. I will probably do a video, because I have pretty much Norwex everything. Even before I signed up with the company, I need to do my own videos on this. Oh, sorry guys, Canada Post is here, but I think my husband's downstairs. I need to do my own video on this anyway. But if you there's a video on YouTube that I saw. If you take a stick of butter and you just rub it on the microwave, use the normal towel you were using before and try to clean that off. It takes a lot longer than if you take one of these, the Enviro cloth. You wipe it once, maybe twice, that's it. It looks a lot cleaner and it took less time, and you only need water, you guys, no chemicals. There's another video that I did actually save to the YouTube channel, but I don't know if you guys can see that. I can see it, but I don't know if people who watch my YouTube channel can see it, but I did save it there too, where a consultant takes raw chicken. She rubs it on her stovetop, I believe, the stovetop or the counter, I think the stovetop, and she uses just the Lysol wipes to actually clean it. She does this test that you can see if there's still bacteria left, and there was. The test, you would put it in a tube thing and it turned a certain color. But then she would take this this cloth, I believe it was this one, and she wiped it afterwards. And then when she did that test and put it in the tube, it did not change color. So that means that this actually takes out all of the bacteria that can harm us. That was actually surprising to me, because you would think those Lysol wipes, which says that it kills 99.9% bacteria, would actually kill it, but it doesn't. So that just kind of sold me. And you know, I tell people all the time, you know you're an adult when you get excited about cleaning supplies. Well, this company gets me excited. So that's why I wanted to share this with you guys. It is free to sign up. You don't have to sign up if you don't want to. I signed up because I know that I'll be buying more of the products, and to sign up, you get a 35% discount for 6 months. So you don't have to sell anything. If you want to maintain the membership, so you do not have to pay anything, just the shipping. To sign up, it is like $11 and something, like with tax. That's it. And I should show you. It gives you guys, I wonder if I can find it. To sign up for the free kit, it comes with the Enviro cloth and the window cloth, which I'll talk about more in another video, because I just realized I'm kind of talking on and on, right? So you probably don't want to hear me too much more, but it doesn't show you guys. Am I on the Canadian website? Yes, I am. Maybe if I click join, it will show you, because I want to show you guys what's in the free kit that I signed up for. There's 2 other kits you can sign up for. Actually, I think there's 3, but you do have to pay for those. You still get a good deal, but I had pretty much everything in those kits anyway. So that's why I just got the free one. I'll share that though in another video, because for some reason I don't see it here. But what was I saying, guys? So you can sign up, or if you just simply want to, if you want to just order something, anything, let me know. I'm going to leave my link for you guys on the bottom. You can order anytime, but I am offering a deal this month only that if you order $75 worth of products, you don't have to pay the shipping on your entire order. So at least $75, you do not have to pay shipping. Shipping for $75 is about $9, I think. Anything above that, I think above 85 or above 100 maybe, is about $12. So you do not have to pay that if you order through me and you spend at least $75, but that's something that I have to input manually from my back office. So if that's something you are interested in, let me know. Send me a message either through YouTube, comment below, or I'm even thinking about having just a separate link for you guys to go to if this is something that you want to sign up for. And I just kind of looked, I clicked on shop and then collections. This is a great place to start too. So they have everything. So not only for your kitchen, for the laundry room, living room, for the outside, the windows, obviously for the bathroom, they have everything. And I just noticed they have this nice rose colored mop set. I actually do have the mop set. I bought a couple years ago. I have the larger size, not the mini, but they have this nice rose color, which I really like. I'm tempted to give my old mop set to somebody else so I can get the rose color. And these mops are amazing. The nice thing I like about the mop is that, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but at least in my house, when I used to use the spin mop system, you would pretty much have to stay off the floor for an hour because it would stay wet for a while. With this mop system, it comes with a dry for you to use first. I believe this is the dry one, and then the wet one is just slightly larger. You would wet this with water, or just simply spray with water, up to you. I've done both ways, and it does not, I would say it doesn't even make the floors that wet. If they are wet for maybe like 5 minutes, that's it. And a little hack is I use this too to clean my windows. So it's so much easier. You do not have to hire somebody to do it. That's expensive. Just do it yourself. What happens if I click this check mark here? I actually haven't done too much of these. Oh, so it actually shows you guys a video, I guess, on all of the systems. So I did turn the sound off, so you guys probably can't hear that. But it looks like it shows you guys a video. So that's actually really cool. But definitely do some searching on YouTube for the products. They have a little bit of everything. You will be so pleased. And that's just kind of why I'm sharing it with you guys, because cooking and cleaning kind of go hand in hand. I do a lot of cooking, I do a lot of cleaning, so this kind of ties in. But as I said, you guys, if you want to try something, let me know. Send me a message, because I am offering free shipping if you order anything from Norwex from my page, $75 or more. So that's exciting, right? So let me know, you guys. I'm going to stop the video for now, and I'll probably do another one talking about some of my favorite products more specifically. Oh, just quickly, in the free kit, because I just kind of see, you will get the Enviro cloth and the window cloth, and you only have to pay $11 and something, you guys. That's it. Okay, so this is the free kit that they're having now. It's normally $37.99, so you do save a lot. And these are, I would say, the best selling packages, because the Enviro cloth you can use for anything. The window cloth you can pretty much use for anything too, but it's good for like for windows, for monitors, for keyboards, for your cell phone, for anything. So this is a good package. Okay, I will leave this alone for now, you guys. Let me know if you need anything. Thank you so much for listening. I'll leave the link for you guys on the bottom, but you can send me a comment too. I will talk to you guys in the next one.